whole scenario about this program. Okay?
Hi, good afternoon, folks. I am Nameed Asif, he is Cesario. We are working as an immigration consultant in this North American Service Center. And today it is my immense pleasure to brief you about the company and the immigration program to Canada. First, if I talk about the company, our company established in 1986, and over the period of time, we become a very successful and respectable name in the international immigration industry. We are here from the last 25 to 27 years in this particular immigration business, and we have 6 to 7 active branches in UAE only in order to serve our services in a very efficient manner. We have served around 11,000 clients over the period of time, and the last year we get 250 permanent resident visas for our clients only. We have huge fan following on Facebook of 500,000, and if you go to our website you will get hundreds of testimonials of our successful clients. And we provide full-fledged services which includes not only submitting your application only for the purpose of obtaining your permanent residence visa, but also the post-landing services, which includes job assistance through our respectable contacts and other assistance like how to get the accommodation in Canada once you fly to Canada, how to obtain the driving license in Canada, how to open the bank account in Canada. So these are the services. Our owner of the company is native Canadian only, and she is authorized consultant for Canadian Regulatory Council. This is ICRC. That means we are the licensed one who can run this kind of business or this kind of company. Apart from this, we got the Pan Arab Excellence Award twice in 2015. Now let me explain to you about the immigration. Actually, immigration is based on the quota system. Quota means how many immigrants any particular country is inviting. So you can say that immigration program is actually based on quota system. And the good news is the quota is open. For the immigration to Canada, the Canadian government or the specific department of Canada came up with this new program which is known as Express Entry. And by the name itself you can judge it's a fast track program, in which you might receive your permanent residence visa within 6 to 9 months, depending upon the invitation from the Canadian government side. And please take note, it's an open job category program and anyone can apply from different educational backgrounds. And the Canadian government is inviting 305,000 immigrants through this Express Entry program. And once you be in the pool of Express Entry, means once you start your application with us, maybe some of your people will start the application today itself. So once you be in the pool of Express Entry, there will be 3 chances to get the opportunity for different job profiles or the nomination to work in any particular province from the province, because your profile become accessible in the eyes of federal government. Provinces, there are 10 provinces in Canada, and the direct Canadian companies, Canadian employers. So these are the benefits of Express Entry. And basically there are 3 to 4 criteria so that we can fit your application in this Express Entry program. That is, you have to be in the age bracket of 18 to 44. Another one, you need to have an experience of 1 to 2 years, and you have to be completed with your minimum side high school. And the last one, how good we are in English, because that is an English country. So for that we have to appear in the IELTS. Basically we have 2 types of IELTS. One is academic, another one is general. And we need general for the immigration program to Canada. General is the easiest one. And the privileges of permanent residence visa of Canada is fabulous actually. You will get all the medical facilities free of cost once you obtain your permanent residence visa for Canada. You will avail all the free education up to high school for your children. You will get all the social benefits, welfare benefits, same like Canadian people have. Instead of one right only, that is, you cannot vote. So these are the things. And today we initiate you to apply as soon as possible for this application to the immigration of Canada through this Express Entry program, so that we can fit your application in this Express Entry program. Because this is a program and we never know when they close the program. And once they close the program, you need to wait for 3 to 5 years. Actually, previously they closed the program in 2012. The people who cannot submitted their applications in 2011, they need to wait for 2013. And once they close the program, we don't know when they came up with new program. You are in the dark, we are in the dark. You don't know, we don't know. So now,
Okay.
so now we interact about the professional fees of our company by Cesario. Then after you have some questions, we are here to provide the answers.